Let us draw a curve like this with this interesting subject. Now, if this is a curve, this is the half of the section. So this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. So we divided in 1 by 2, 1 by 2 half section. Then, now if you look at here, this is the angle of the face and this is the angle of the hand. Straight line you drop, this is where it is coming. If I draw a straight line here, and if it's straight draw a straight line here, it will see that the box is in between the two lines. This is the angle of the leg, and this is the angle of the torso, upper torso. And probably if I draw a straight, little bit angle here, the straight line in the elbow area, and this is the straight line in the breast area. So now this is how it would look like. Okay, this is the fundamental first stage. Now second stage is that we start drawing the circle. The circle directly goes through the ear, and then from here we will draw the rib cage, here the pelvic, and then here the pelvic curve, where it will curve like this. Then you have this femur or the thigh part, and the leg part and the feet. This is the area of the leg, and this is a small ball you can draw, and then hand, and you can make all this cone. Now if I look at the picture, how do I see the picture? This is how I see the picture. See, this is how it will look like. This is the fundamentals of the entire image. So what are the image we got it? So we got first this design, this is the drawing, this is the fundamentals, so measurement, fundamentals, and overlapping fundamentals and measurement. Now this is the line which you draw, divide into two part, half and half. Then I measure that. See, this is my angle of the leg, this is the angle of the torso. Then from here I drop the line, in between I have this box line. The meeting point of torso is my hand and parallel line, and here I draw the face where I have the circles. Because of my lighting setting, I'm not at home, I'm in a hotel, so lighting setting is not so great here. So anyway, after drawing this, I drew the leg part, and this is where the fundamentals ends. Probably I have to finish up the hands first, and then we can start drawing up the leg. And see, this is your drawing is ready. Then we will start drawing the face. So what I'll do is that rather than doing it with pencil, let me draw with a pen. And trust me, doing with a pen doesn't make me stop, doesn't give me fear, because my fundamental drawings are right. So see, this is so easy for me to draw immediately, and it doesn't take time. The maximum time it takes is to shade it. So if you look at the entire time taken is just probably 10 minutes to draw the entire figure, maybe 7 minutes, and but the shading takes much of a time. But I have done a very basic shading. So now once this is your drawing is done, then you start shading it. So as I said, I am doing a very basic shading just to give you the volume of the body and ups and down, a little bit light and shadow contrast. So I have started working on different parts. However, have you joined my subscription model where I have started giving you a human anatomy course? If you haven't taken the subscription, why don't you go ahead and do that? Also, if you want to see the entire full video, let me know in the comment. Then I will make a longer video in the YouTube so that I can explain more in depth, and I can explain it to you, and you can learn also. Let me know. Thank you for sharing. Please share it with everybody.